So I've been sick the past couple days, so we think it's the water. I think my water filter that I brought from Utah is out, so I just refilled it, but we got some bottled water. So check this out, they have food trucks. Oh, food trucks. See if you have any Mexican. Oh, but that looks good though. Looks really like that actually. Boba teas. Yeah. Seating areas. Yeah. Sushi. I wonder if they do that every weekend. One of the great things about this complex is it's so quiet. And this little family's having their own, whoops, step back there. Oh, a little picnic. By the pool. So here's my Brita that I brought from Utah. So they give me filters, the old one. So give away all the ice because I don't want to risk it. Sometimes that soaks for an hour, but it's a 2-gallon jug. Figure that this you need to refill every 30-40 times. So we'll just, once this is done, exhausted, use this and fill this up with what comes out of here. So that should be good for another month.
So I'm making a spinach. We have a
Minced chicken over there.
We have a small pan. So I hope you like this vlog.
Sure I will.
Chicken! Brown chicken, I love.
Chicken, rice, spinach, yummy. These wonderful colors. Purple, pink. Oh, the fishes. Well, that's a big one. Never seen him before. There's another big one. Kind of looks like Padishar.